an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to this international conference, Environmental Policy Discourses since the 1960s, Politics, Problems, and Narratives of Environment Policies in Europe and Asia.
This session is titled A Comparative Understanding of problematizations in environmental issues.
On the basis of the argument that democratization tends to promote the change of social policy in a positive direction, despite this seek to understand whether this democratization process in Indonesia promotes the government to adjust its environmental policy in a positive way. So we have 4 questions. And the first is, what has been the progress of environmental policy adjustment? Second, has there been any limitation in environmental policy in Indonesia today? And next is, has environmental policy adjustment have improved the environmental status in Indonesia from the end of the new order period to the present, compared to the environmental state in the new order era? And last, what and how have environmental policy concerns impacted the environment in Indonesia?
Recommendation, we argue that compared to the new order era, many remarkable progress, and it lays at the groundwork for a long-term policy shift towards sustainability in Indonesia. But however, as I mentioned before, that Indonesia's current environmental policy is not yet fully progressive, so in the sense that it's entirely in the service of sustainable development. And the slow and relatively low level of impact is due to the impediment of the country's socio-economic and political condition. As we mentioned before, that Indonesia is still considered as a developing country, and the mindset of the development is always growing. We want to open new space, always even we would like to move the capital to the jungle in Kalimantan. So that's what the mindset of the Indonesian government at this moment. And as a recommendation, so the government should still pay more attention to the issue of environmental protection, of course, and the Indonesian government needs to invest in revising the existing shortcomings in the environmental regulation in order to make them specific and clear, because some of the articles are very vague and in multi interpretation. And the other thing is, besides, the government should also amend some controversial environmental provision in the Omnibus Law or Job Creation Law in number 11/2020. And the last but not least, the government should work with local authorities to strengthen the enforcement environmental laws by continuing to support equipment and strengthen staff ability to inspect and monitor the environment and strictly handle environmental violation.
I think environmental protection and ecological balance for present and future generation. So we see the transformation from focusing on protections of forests to balancing between development and ecological protections. Points that we have to deal with now in Vietnam. The goal, 13 objectives. There are so many solutions here. I have mentioned some. The first one is about law enforcement. The second one is about protection and sustainable development of natural ecosystem, conservation of nature and biodiversity, protection of wetland ecosystem. The third solution is about ensure water security, safety of reservoir and dam, utilization of water resources, fresh water. And one point here is about circular economy model. We mentioned circular economy, and we try to make use some model of circular economy.
It's a combination of mechanical interventions with heavy machineries like hydraulic excavators and water masters, and also the traditional techniques of flushing through the outgoing channel. We have also We have also been successful in rejuvenating the drainage system with these block with sediments as well as weeds and footing.
What is very important in the development of environmental consciousness, and then maybe later even for environmental policies, is our emotional reactions. Things which touch people and which touch persons in their daily life. These scandals activate people and they bring them into action.